Hey guys, it's Taylor, aka BeautyThat, and welcome to a day in my life. So despite it being quarantine, I have a lot of things on my checklist that need to get done today. And I'm kind of to a late start, so let's hope that we can get everything completed. So what's on the list for today is going to Barnes & Noble's to pick up some books that I want to read. So I already ordered them online, so I just have to pick them up in the store before they close. And then I'm also going to try to see if I can start volunteering at this place. I'm hopeful that they'll let me volunteer for the summer, but because it's quarantine, I'm not too positive on that, but I'm hoping, fingers crossed. And then after that, just some around the house stuff. Laundry is definitely on the list. Editing some videos and running my mile, because I've been running a mile every day for like 2 weeks now. So that's definitely on the list. And you guys are gonna come along with me. So let's go. Not being late for stuff was something I really wanted to fix in 2020, but that just hasn't happened yet. It's not in our cards right now. It's not. Whew.
That you need to contact.
Okay. Lego. All right, guys. Mission 1 accomplished. Had the nerve to almost forget my mask going into the assisted living facility to volunteer, but don't even worry. We remembered it. We put it on. Y'all, they got me rushing like a maniac. Over here thinking it closes at 5, and it's 4:45. They close at 5:30, so we're ahead of the game. We're good. We are good, y'all. We are ahead of the game.
Ahead of the game.
Oh, this is awesome then. I'll get everything done for today. Oh, y'all haven't seen Mamacita yet, so this is Mamacita.
Hey guys.
So,
gotta keep my eyes on the road.
of course. We've been watching too many shows where these characters are not keeping their eyes on the road, and I'm just like, I know it's a TV show, but y'all gotta watch where you're going.
And they're like, so, how's everything going?
Mom, you can actually do it when you're driving.
I knew I could.
Oh gosh. But yes, we're on our way to get my books. I can't wait. I'm very excited. Mommy knows I'm excited. She also knows that I find these new things to do and go 110% into them. So I guess books is the new thing for this quarantine for about a week and a half. We'll see how long this lasts.
Got a mask on and
we are at Barnes & Noble. Listen, it's so funny because it's like now day in the lives are like either in the car or at the house.
Yeah, put your mask on.
Yeah.
And give them a call. And I'll let them come to your door.
Oh, uh-oh. He's coming here. He's coming here.
She got it.
Hello? On hold?
Yeah, she just called.
Okay, what was your name?
Tarver. Taylor Tarver.
Oh yeah, the boss.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm leaving, but I don't know down the window.
It should be 2 books, I hope.
I ain't got no mask on. He ain't repeat. Billy has a mask on. This lady takes it off.
She don't have a mask on.
No, she had it on. It's in her hand, but she didn't even have it covered her nose.
Look at what the times are doing to us.
And then
look at what the times are doing. The Hunger Games. People still reading the Hunger Games? Mockingjay, Catching Fire. The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. That's a new one. I'm not gonna worry. Hey. Well, alright. I choose not to fear. Awesome. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Okay, so we have You're a Badass and then Americana. So these are 2, well, this one's a novel that we're gonna be reading, and then this one is basically how to stop doubting your greatness. Woo! Very excited for these, and I'm about to post them. So if you guys aren't already following me, make sure to start following TaylorDion.t on Instagram. I post a lot more on my story than I do actually pictures. But either or, y'all want to be updated, so turn on your notifications as well. Second thing on our list, checked. So for funsies, for kicks, we're gonna walk into Ulta now and just see if they're hiring, because sis is either gonna volunteer or get a job. So we got our good old resume here. Mama's gonna walk into TJ Maxx to return, as y'all can see. And we're just gonna do what it do. I call it the duck mask. Y'all, we're going full-fledged with this. Alright, I don't know. It's a whole contraption. My hair doesn't cooperate with it. This is when you need updos. If you're gonna go out, guys, hair in a high bun, so this double mask situation is a lot smoother. I'm doing a ducky face, can you tell? You guys, this day just got unexpectedly better. So we're coming home from, you know, Ulta, TJ Maxx, all the good old stores. And look what I have. My Blinks by Bambi came in. So as you guys already know, I made a video about lashes, which was my Blinks by Bambi, and I had on the Bambi lashes, and they were adorable. I'm actually like super excited for this because I wanted to film a skincare routine, but I wanted to wait until I got the serum for this, and I have it now, guys. Alright guys, so now that I'm home, I need to start winding down a little bit, but I have to do some loads of laundry before like we start making dinner and stuff. So let's go to laundry. I'm pretty sure everyone's laundry room is a mess, so I don't want to hear it. So while I was gone, I thankfully had the darks in the washing machine already. So once it was done, I just went ahead and put that in the dryer. You know, we gotta have our dryer sheets, of course. I'm using Snuggle now. I think we have Downy, Green. Yeah, literally. If it smells good, it's good. It's all clear, but now we gotta load it up with some more. Oh my gosh, okay. Here we go. Woo! This is adorable. Yay! Oh, she threw in lashes for me too, mommy. We are about to go on our run because our daily mile. How you feeling, mama?
Feeling good, ready to rock and roll.
Ready to rock and roll. And
Ready to rock and roll. Got my music happening.
I was trying to show you guys the Nike app and then I dropped my phone. We'll keep that in there. I use the Nike Run Club. If you guys want to run miles with us, use the app. Oh, 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 Mom runs in the nice outfits. I'm in like an old t-shirt and Nike Pros, but it's fine. She starts before me. I'll see you in a second. I keep tagging Nike so they can sponsor me, but they won't listen. Alright guys, so I'm about to go out on my mile run. I've been doing this for now, this is like the 15th day, so whew, I am feeling a positive change in my endurance, even though I'm still like out of breath going up and down the steps, but I think that's like a regular thing. If you know me, you knew it was coming. I'm using my BeautyThat waist trainer. Honestly, this is a two-parter, boom boom, slim thick waist. Well, not slim thick, slim waist. We're working on the thick, y'all. We're working on the thick. But yeah, basically put that on and you are ready to run. I'm gonna go ahead and put my AirPods in, catch up with my mom. She should be a quarter way done. So I should be able to catch up with her and yeah, run our mile. Night running. We love to see it. Whew. We did it, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I was getting bugs in my eye. But as you can see, we worked up a sweat. We did our 1 mile. Today's time, I was sprinting in the beginning, so I think my best time is like 6:56. But today, we got 10:07. As you guys can see here, 10:07. And of course I had to put on the Nike Fit because Mama was going out looking good, so I had to change a little bit. The waist trainer makes a difference. As you guys can see, whew, it was keeping sweat in there. Drenched, but the abs are there. So now I will usually start the dinner while my mama gets her dance and workout in. And then we'll both take our showers once everything's like simmering. Now that we're in our kitchen and we just bought some stuff. It's a mess, but it'll be clean when everything's, you know, done being cooked. Yeah, I guess I'll show you guys what I'm making tonight. I'm still a little unsure, but I think we're gonna have chips and dip first, and then I'll probably have to make something happen with shrimp, and if we got our pasta, then pasta. All right, y'all, scratch that. I thought we were making brown rice pasta because we just got it, but I forgot that we made chicken the other day, so definitely have to finish that first before our spaghetti and shrimp. But I'll make sure to either vlog that or have that on my Instagram. I did put on the Instagram the chicken that was made, which was beautiful. It was so toasty. Prepare your eyes. Ah! I definitely have to wash these dishes once the food gets going, but I also want to actually do like a goulash, so to put on top of our rice. So I'm gonna have to get the wok pan out, so I'm gonna quickly wash that. So the rice has boiled for 5 minutes, and all you're gonna do is turn the fire off, put the handy dandy cap on it, and basically let this sit for like 40-ish minutes. Basically, let it sit until the rest of the dinner is done. made. I also washed the dishes, so now the kitchen is like cleared up and clean. All we have right now is still there are like the plates that we're gonna have to wash after we eat anyways, and then our saucers and our mugs for our tea tonight. So I'm really about to strip down because the sweat it's dried on me and I don't like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in the shower, have my towel, I'm ready, about to put on my PJs, and honestly just watch Hulu for the rest of the night. And then of course, to moisturize my body, I am using good old coconut oil. It would be Aquaphor, but thanks to the times right now, I'm a little low on Aquaphor, but that's okay because we have coconut oil and it does the trick. Keeps the skin nice and soft and moisturized. And I'm also planning to do like a full like a skincare routine very soon, especially because I just got my Blinks by Bambi serum, so definitely going to be incorporating that into my skincare routine. But for right now, I'm just going to use my Cetaphil moisturizer, which of course is part of the routine. There are more steps. I just did them in the shower because after running, I just need to get everything else off my face. As far as my nighttime routine goes, there's like a lot more to it, but I usually do that way later in the night, like it's not already almost midnight. The rest of my night routine is after I eat dinner and after we watch like 4 or 5 Hulu shows. Right now we're watching Mistresses and it's wild, y'all. It's wild. I'm just gonna go ahead and put on some pajamas and go downstairs to eat, and that is my night. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you want more videos like these, make sure to comment that down below. Don't forget to thumbs this video up and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to beauty that. Bye! I'm gonna take this mask off while we're in the car. And on the way I get to books. That wasn't even English.
He's gonna still come to this door. So let me just get my daggone mask on.
Work it out. Work it out. Hey, 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 hey.
All of this money, I can't lose my mind.
Losing my own.